Welcome back to another video of Catch Home Slicer. In this video, we're going to be opening 3, 2, 1. Ta-ding! It is the Pokémon Shrouded Fable EvoBooster. In this EvoBooster, we're going to get, let me check, 3 Shrouded Fable packs and 1 Pokémon card. Am I pronouncing it wrong? Let me check. Patcheron, okay? 1 Patcheron card. Okay, do you want to open this? This guy makes poisonous mochi. I'm out of here. Run. E-Orb is like completely silent like this. Brr. Now, let's get started. So now that we've done the intro, guess what's next? It is time to open it. Yay! So we have opened Shrouded Fable before, so we've got a clear mindset of how Shrouded Fable is. Why do I always think that everything is hard to open when it's like the most simplest thing to open? Let me turn it around to look bro style. This is so turny when I'm using bro style. This guy's gonna go to the air. Landed it. Now, let me show you everything which was inside the box. No, not box. EvoBooster! Now that we've opened the EvoBooster, we're gonna show you all of the things which were inside the EvoBooster. Classical sentence. First up, we've got the most annoying, crazy, annoying number 2 times code card, which goes boom. The end. Petcharunt. I really love the shine on this card and like the scenery of it, and it makes poisonous mochi, which poisons humans and Pokemon, which is sad. Now we've got Shrouded Fable packs. Let me try telling you all of the names. We've got Makadori, Okidoki, and Pheasantipity. Let's start opening them. And I don't know why I said it like that. Let's start opening the packs, which are Mankadori, Pheasantipity, and Okidoki. Yeah, Okidoki's fun. Let's put both of these to the side and open Pheasantipity. I think let's pull them. I just made a terrible mistake. I'd rather do it like this. Oh, why first pack? First pack is always the hardest pack to open. Remember how this happened in one of the other videos? Oh yeah, the Silver Tempest video. It was first pack annoyingness. Yeah, I think that can go there. And Fracture. Have no idea what's that called. Furfo. We're going great, right? No. Toxicroak. This is so not good. Eevee. How many times have I told you not to give me Eevee Pokemon? Don't give me Eevee Pokemon. Seriously. All of the cards except for the Fracture are all doubles. Like, man. Finally! Sylveon! Great! Good! Binding Mochi. This is amazing. Binding Mochi. This is amazing. Kyurem? No. I was going to say we were going to pull something rare. Haxorus. And a Basic Leaf Energy. Basic Leaf Energies are the worst. They are the worst. Let's open Pack 2. I don't know why I did so many Maybe because my name starts with A. Why do I make the most terrible sounds? I hate when I try to pull open packs because, let me move that, because they are so hard to open. You have got to be kidding me, I got a Stuffle. Joltik! Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the first name. And we got the most craziest Houndoom as our first card. I mean, then you already saw Stuffle. Joltik! Finally, Persian. This is one of the most craziest events for me. I mean, non-crazy events for me. Because I already have like 15 Persians. Givelta! I don't know how to pronounce it. Like my friend pronounces it like this. Givelta! Hype now. I feel like I'm gonna get dizzy. Weevil, the evolution of Sneevil. Power Glass. This is great for an adventure in Pokémon. Weevil, more like, you know. And a Copraja. And a basic energy. And a code card. Now it's open. Act 3. Finally! I'd rather open it like this because a few times I forgot a card inside. And so I had to... Oh, let's move these to the side. And a pack there. And that there. There. Furfrou, this is amazing. Dartrix. How many times have I seen Dartrix? It's like Dartrix. Absol. This is finally so good. I like Absol in a good way, not in a bad way. We've got the most craziest Houndoom again. Janine's Secret Art, which looks even more terrible than Stunkfish. Xerox, I have no idea how to pronounce this. Kyurem again. Meow. Joltik. Seriously? Please. You've got to be kidding me. We pulled Copraja 2 times. This is so annoying. Like, look at this fat, chunky. Does puny mean fat or small? I think fat. Yeah, this puny. No, that means small. This fat, chunky elephant would stomp into your house like crazy. Wow. I am so sad. We didn't pull every rare cards, so we're not going to talk about any rare cards, which is sad, but at least we had fun. That's the main point of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please watch more of the Gartom Slicer channel. Watch all of the birthday gift episodes because the next video is going to be awesome. I hope you watch the next video, by the way. Then we'll complete all of the birthday episodes. Please like and subscribe. Press the notification bell. And bye for now.